girl. Stop. Fucking yeah. Okay, I'm not gonna do nothing long today because, granted, it's really nothing to talk about. But waiting, like I said, trading is low key like a boring thing, but you can make it exciting, and that's what I'm here to do. But just not today. Just not today. Nas, I was thinking about entering. I didn't enter this Nas because US. Look what US 30 did. So US 30, we're looking for buys now. Granted, now we're looking for buys off US 30. You see? Boom, we came here. Oh, fuck it. 30, you looking for buys now. 30. So 30. I wasn't, like I said, I won't gonna trade 30, but look what it did. Gold. So gold, I'm looking really. So let's go to the hour. Let's not waste no time no more. Let's just delete everything we really can't see. So we're gonna go to 4 hour now. Boom. You go to 4 hour. So 4 hour, 4 hour. Look at this. So 4 hour, copy, clone, 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 clone. So you clone this, it comes here. Never really breaks high. This is the high, this is the low. You could catch all of this again. But what you want to do is this right here. We want price to come down here. And if price could come down here and we could capture all of this, oh my God, that is crazy. Woo! That'd be so. This would be so beautiful for gold, so magnificent for gold. So gold is almost on the way. So, so look at all of this. You could catch. You could catch a lot of points, my G. A lot of points. You want to catch that. It's like you went in there, you know the limit, and it's about to come back out. So once it come back out and you almost at that limit again, you could reach back at the same spot. You feel me? So that's just like the same. That's just like you could use you could use that as an example. So yeah, I really try to screenshot like this was TikTok, man. So look, gold. So gold is really kind of the only interest I got. 30, it is looking interesting now. I would want 30 to come back down here before breaking back up. So I'll wait for a good 30 to come back here. This is one buy, this is the second buy, and this is the even you just don't want 30 to come down here. So what we doing now is deleting this. So 30 got about it got about two jumps now. So it could come here to here. Because every time it came here, it went from here, and every time it came here, it went from here. So these are just two spots you want to go. So you want to go like this, and then you actually want price to come all the way back down. So from here to here. Oh, you want price to come down. So 30, we just waiting for price to come down so we can get in where we fit in. Once it do a little dip, or if it just keep going, it keeps going. But if it does dip, we can enter where we fit in at. Gold, gold is on the dip, and then we still looking to buys as long as it don't break down here. As long as it keep making higher highs, we're gonna buy. So if it could come down here, we'll be good. Nas is still in a nasty predicament, but stop. So Nas, I really want Nas to come right here and see what it does. So Nas, don't even try to rush it no more. You can get in early, fine. Oh man, we're gonna leave that. Because we did kind of go break even today. But it can be buys now. It can be buys. I went break even on this. It went down, came here. Only way I went break even because US 30 showed me it. Look at this. Now we looking for buys on that 30. We looking for straight buys. Straight buys. But we gonna wait for a dip. Either it's gonna keep going or we gonna wait for that dip. Gold. I love how gold. My boy. I love what gold is doing right now. I love what gold is doing. It's retracing. If it keeps going down, like granted, I know just not to buy here. You have to see momentum. If you don't see no momentum, just don't buy. But if it come here, ooh, look at all these points, bro. You gain 300 points back long term. Yeah, I like what gold's doing. I like what it's doing. Maybe it want to retrace a little bit, or if it even if it want to keep going down, price always comes back. It always comes back. So even if it want to go down, I'm not tripping. Drop 200 points. Almost dropped almost 200 points today. Damn, it did drop 200 points. So since Monday through today, that joint it dropped almost 300 points. God damn, almost dropped 300 points. So Nas, like I said, Nas, I just exit this. I'ma just delete it because I just went break even. And I don't like this break. I'ma leave it there. I'ma just leave it there. I went break even on this. Like I went break even on this, so that's why I'm not gonna delete it. GJ, fuck it. I went break even on GJ and I lost these two yesterday. I ain't like how GJ was looking. The only way I went break even on GJ is because I just don't like the setup. I lost on GJ yesterday. And right now I'm just waiting on GJ. I can't really know. I don't know what it's doing. It can go down, but it can push up. GJ is just like, if it don't go down from here, I wish I was still in this, but for some odd reason, when I enter off a prop firm account, the spread goes super high for the first hour. So I just got out of it. Like, I was like right here. It was like 3 o'clock. I said, and then when it's like 5 o'clock, it'd be like up here. I'd be like, bro, let me just exit. If I want to re-enter, I would, but I don't know. I just don't like how it looks right now. It can go down. It's showing a really downward momentum, but I just want price to come here for this gold line for GJ, but I can't tell the market what it do. Like I said, I won't ready for 30. Look how I'm ready now. I'm ready to enter 30. So 30, I'm ready. I won't ready Monday. I won't ready Tuesday. I won't touch in 30 because 30 just didn't look like a clean. It didn't look clean to me. Now I'm looking for straight buys. It could come all the way back down. We already see it's in a bullish momentum. So I'm just looking for straight buys. I could buy here. I could buy here. I could buy even somewhere down here. But as long as it don't like keep making lows, which is probably never gonna make lows, you good. So 30 looks super clean. 30 is looking beautiful. Gold is actually looking beautiful. Hopefully gold could keep going down a little more. Or I could probably, yeah, hopefully gold just keep going down. Nas, Nas is like 30. Like, we either gonna break or it's not. I think Nas in 30 is gonna break soon because they both came at the same area. Nas was a little higher than 30, so that's why I ain't do that big jump like US 30. So that's why I was like, it can hit, but I'm like, bro, I just want to get out of this. It just don't look good. GJ, I could have stayed in GJ, but no. So right now I'm only looking at gold for tomorrow and 30 for tomorrow. Maybe GJ at a later date. Maybe I will re-enter GJ back. I'm not too sure. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe you could enter GJ back, but I lost 2 times in a row of GJ. That shit kind of pissed me off. So yeah, that's all I got for today. I'm really want to try to make this live. It ain't really too much to talk about today. I don't want to go into explaining mode today. I probably do that if I win tomorrow. What's tomorrow? Wednesday? Yeah, Wednesday I'm gonna do that. Tuesday, today ain't the day, man. Today ain't the day. It's just waiting. Like 30. Hopefully it could retrace back all the way down here tomorrow. I don't think it will. It's either gonna come up or just retrace a little bit. So it might be ready Thursday. GJ could be ready in like an hour or two. Gold, it could be ready today, tomorrow, or even the next day. So that's all I got right now. Let me see. Like, even let's just look at a couple of stocks like Nvidia. Like I said, I would have just bought, hold. Still, I would have still been in Nvidia. Amazon. You see Amazon coming back up. Like I said, it was a good opportunity to buy Amazon around here. Comes up, comes down, probably buy right here. Don't know. If I analyze it, I probably understand where to buy Amazon. What I look at Nvidia, Tesla. Like I said, Tesla. Tesla I would have bought down here, would have bought right here. We're looking for it to push above here. If it don't, we probably just close out. Let me see what else I'm looking at. Amazon. I just looked at Amazon Meta. Meta, like I said, What I just say. I just said this yesterday. But I met it here, and look what it did today. I would have bought Meta I would have bought Meta Money yesterday, and it went crazy today. And then once it break above here, maybe we could even get another one. Mm, I like how Meta look. I love how Meta look. Google is probably. Let's see, Google. Google is just, I don't know. Google is too nasty for me. You might have to look at it on a low time frame. The high time frame ain't telling nothing. Like I said, hood, hood. I love where it's at right now. I love where it's at. This is like a good buy to me. A good buy. Like I said, I would buy a hood around now. I buy a hood around now. If it comes down, especially down here, and then smack back up, oh yeah, guarantee I'm buying hood. I low key want to buy a little 200. Should I actually come back to this? I do a stock option on hood real quick. You feel me? Matter of fact, let me get that hood, and it's a little below. I'll do something on hood. Hell yeah! Oh my, bro. Oh my gosh, hood. Mm. Woo! I swear I want to put $200 in that trade options for hood. That's gonna what make me how much percent? If it's 20, 50, 50, that's 30 points times. I don't know how much percent. I think it's time to leverage 300, 3 like 3,000. I don't know. I don't know. Let me see. I could look on Robinhood. I ain't been on Robinhood in so long. What like how would hood look if I ain't trade options in a minute. I just do a quick option just to get a quick. Man, I got some money in here. 2.5. A little 2.5 in here. What the fuck was I gonna look up Robinhood? Stop. I drew this out the other day. I said it was soon to come. Hood. Let's see. I like how hood looks, man. Let me just uh I'll do a call till how long is this? Let's see, 4 hour. What is it? Uh I'll probably do like the 14 or something. Yeah, I'll do like the 14, like 3 weeks. I'll put in like a 3 week call. 3 weeks, 14. Yeah, like the 14 call. Damn. Let me see. Call. I gotta go into 150. Let's say let's just say 140. No. So if it hit one, so in 3 weeks, if it does hit break even, I win. I win. Oh yeah. I win only 153. This is why options is pretty cool. Cause I got it going back to 153. Oh my god. Yeah, I bought this hood call. I ain't got enough money though. That's why I said when I get money, I trade options. Cause I just buy an expensive hood call, probably like $800 worth, and then just hold. I like how that hood was looking, bro. Really like how the hood was looking. What I say about so far, uh, I would have bought right here and then just let it rise up. Mm, like I said, I show a lot of rights, but no, granted, I'm wrong sometimes too. You just want to be right more than you wrong. Everything look. I don't know. Everything looking like. You see. You see, they just keep doing it. Look how I just keep drawing. I just keep drawing the right jump. I just keep drawing it. Uh, it's not very hard. Like I said, I lost twice on GJ, but in the back of my head, I'm like, okay, I just lose. But granted, I have emotions like, damn, I don't feel like losing, but sometimes you just gotta lose, man. But that's all I got for fucking today. I don't really want to go over this no more. Hopefully I enter something tomorrow. We won't really nothing too good to enter today, but hopefully I enter something tomorrow. If I don't, it might be Thursday because either 30 or gold, one of them gotta be ready. If not that, GJ might be ready. All right, and I'm out of here, baby.